Hello, my name is Kirk Fernandez, and I'm going to be talking to you about cloud computing. What is cloud computing? According to the Oxford Dictionary definition, cloud computing is the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process data rather than a local server or a personal computer. What does this actually mean? It means cloud computing is a service that companies provide for websites that takes care of all the background work needed for a website to run efficiently. Now, before cloud computing, it was very expensive for companies to set up their websites and run them the way they wanted. And this was because of several reasons. First of all, it was very expensive to purchase servers, and the amount of servers that would be purchased initially would depend on a company's prediction of traffic. And the thing is, traffic would vary a lot even on a daily basis, which would lead to idling servers or the need of more servers during a day. Another issue before cloud computing was maintenance, and this was because of the time consumption that it would take up. It would lead to more time spent on fixing the server or safety, and less on completing the goals set by the website or the company. Now, what are the benefits of cloud computing? Benefits of cloud computing include maximizing utility and increased site efficiency. This is through the ability of not having to purchase servers, which would lead to a cheaper startup cost. And without needing to purchase servers, it'd be easier for expansions if necessary, because of the ability to purchase what you need as you go. And this would lead to as well as decreased capacity of server if necessary, depending on the current traffic. Another thing is increased focus on company goals because of provider managing server instead of the company trying to manage their own server, which would lead to redistribution of time management, company putting their time in things they need more. And the thing with cloud computing is there are multiple option services to pick from, and they fall under two categories. The first category being deployment models. This includes public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, and hybrid cloud. Deployment models is a type of access that is given to reach the cloud. Public clouds are considered being the least secure because of the openness that it provides, being accessible to the public in general. Private clouds provides higher security, usually used within an organization. Community clouds are for organization groups to access, and hybrid clouds contains parts of public and private clouds. So hybrid is a mixture between both public and private. The other section that clouds would fall under is service models, and this would be infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, software as a service, SaaS. What service models do is they represent the models that cloud computing might be based on. This includes infrastructure, which involves access to resources like virtual machines, virtual storage, and physical machines. The other one is platform, which involves environment runtime for deployment tools, and applications. And the other is software, which allows end user service for software application use. So overall, these were my citations for the presentation, and that is what cloud computing is and what I have found.